This is the LaserMen 11390FC mixed laser cutting machine. The machine weight is 750 kilograms with a compact footprint of only 5.3 square meters. Material feeding width up to 1.5 meter. Front and rear blanking plates removable, allowing long material to pass through easily and facilitating the processing. Machine valid cutting area is 1.3 meter by 0.9 meter. BOCHU control system enables precise control of fiber laser and CO2 laser, achieving both metals and non-metals cutting. The machine can certainly be built with only one cutting head, using a fiber laser to cut only metals or a CO2 laser to cut only non-metals. The motion system utilizes servo motors with high-speed modular transmission, enabling higher acceleration and movement speed. Maximum speed reaches 35 meters per minute, with repeat positioning accuracy within more or less 0.01 millimeter. 1,500 watts fiber laser source capable of carbon steel cutting up to 10 millimeter thickness. High-speed cutting of stainless steel, aluminum, brass, galvanized steel, and other metal materials is easily achieved. A 130 watts or stronger power CO2 laser is for non-metals cutting. Common materials such as wood, acrylic, etc. can be cut efficiently. The serrated blade table reduces contact area with the sheet material, effectively minimizing laser reflection. The rounded smooth tip of the serrated blades supports material sheet more stable and preventing scratches on the material surface. Industrial computer offers superior interference resistance. Swing arm computer workstation, multi-angle adjustable. In addition to the controlling on the display, a wireless handle makes operation simpler and more convenient. Under the machine table, the funnel is covered with the 3 mm thick steel plates, providing double-layer protection, preventing overheat, and extending the funnel service life. One machine with higher level configurations, faster cutting speed, higher precision, and better processing efficiency.